Welcome to Mr. English Speaks. Listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Mr. English Speaks. I'm Adam, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
And I'm Sarah, and yes, we are super excited to be with you again. It always feels amazing to sit down, talk, teach, laugh, and help you grow in English. We seriously love doing this.
Absolutely. And before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us more than you can imagine.
It really does. And okay, Adam, today's topic is huge. It's honestly something we get messages about every single day.
Every single day.
And it's this: I understand English, but I can't speak it.
The classic problem.
Extremely classic and extremely normal.
Totally normal. So if you're watching and you've felt this at any point in your life, trust me, you're not alone.
Not even close. Millions of learners feel the same. You're in good company.
And today we're talking about how to fix that, how to train your mouth, how to train your mind, how to unlock your English.
Yes, how to finally speak without freezing, without thinking too much, without worrying about mistakes.
And most importantly, how to practice in a way that actually works.
Exactly. People study grammar, vocabulary, apps, books, but speaking is a different muscle.
A different skill.
A different training method.
So Sarah, let me start with the big question. Why do so many learners understand English, but feel stuck when trying to speak?
I love this question, and the answer is simple. Their mouth is not trained.
Exactly. Their brain knows English, but their mouth has not practiced enough to produce it smoothly.
It's like knowing how a car works, but never actually driving one.
That's the perfect example. You can watch 1,000 driving videos, but your hands, feet, and eyes still need real practice.
And the same is true for your mouth in English. It needs practice forming the sounds, moving differently, opening differently, controlling breath differently.
Yes. English uses different muscles, different shapes of the tongue, different jaw movement.
And you can't just think your way into fluency.
You have to speak your way into fluency.
Yes, speaking is the key. It's the real gym.
Speaking is the gym.
And most people just don't go to that gym.
Or they go once a month and expect results.
Yes. And then they say, why am I not fluent yet?
Because fluency is consistency, not intensity.
Oh, that's a good line. Say it again.
Fluency is consistency, not intensity.
So true. 5 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week.
Absolutely. And we're going to show you how to train your mouth correctly so English starts to flow.
And we're also going to talk about training your mind, thinking in English.
This is a big one.
Huge, because many learners think in their first language, translate in their head, then speak.
And that makes speech slow and unnatural.
Exactly. So we're going to help you start thinking directly in English.
Easier than people think.
Much easier.
And the best part of all?
What?
You can do it at home, alone, for free.
Yes, no partner required, no expensive courses, just your mouth, your mind, and us.
And your coffee.
Always coffee.
Okay, Sarah, let's jump into the technique that changed my life, your life, and thousands of learners' lives.
Shadowing.
Shadowing.
This is the technique that takes your English from I know the words to I can speak smoothly.
So let me ask you, Sarah, how would you explain shadowing in the simplest way possible?
Easy. You listen to someone speaking English, and you repeat everything they say.
Everything.
Not later, not after you think.
Right away.
Almost at the same time, like an echo.
Like becoming their shadow.
Exactly.
And the beauty of shadowing is this. Even if you don't understand every single word, your mouth gets used to English rhythm.
Your mouth learns the music of English.
Yes. English is music. Intonation, stress, rhythm.
English isn't only words, it's flow.
And shadowing builds that flow.
So for example, if someone says, hey, how are you today?
You say, hey, how are you today?
Same time, same melody, same speed.
And your mouth starts to feel comfortable.
Yes, comfortable with English sounds.
Comfortable with English movement.
Comfortable with English flow.
And when you feel comfortable,
you speak naturally.
Exactly.
And another technique I love is repeating simple phrases daily.
Oh, yes. That one feels small, but it's powerful.
It unlocks your mouth.
People think they need to practice long sentences.
Nope. Start small.
I'm ready.
Let's go.
I can do it.
Good morning.
Say these phrases with emotion.
Yes. Speak them with feeling. Smile when you say them.
Your mouth learns faster when emotion is involved.
Yes. It becomes muscle memory.
And the more comfortable you get with simple phrases, the easier it is to speak longer sentences.
Step by step.
Okay, Sarah. I want to talk about something you always say.
Oh?
Speaking out loud even when you're alone.
My favorite. People underestimate this so much.
They think it's silly.
But it's super powerful.
It's like having a free English gym at home.
Yes. Talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing.
I'm making coffee.
I'm choosing a shirt to wear.
I'm cleaning the kitchen.
I'm hungry. I want a sandwich.
Anything, everything.
And the best part, there's no pressure.
No one judging you.
No mistakes matter.
It's just practice.
Mouth movement in English.
And your brain starts thinking in English automatically.
Yes, thinking in English is all about small steps.
You don't start with deep thoughts.
You start with simple words.
Water,
Cold,
coffee,
hungry.
and then simple phrases.
I need water.
It's cold today.
I want coffee.
And then thoughts become English.
And that's how fluency grows.
That was a great session today, Sarah. I think we covered a lot.
Yes, absolutely. And I hope our viewers learned some useful expressions for daily English conversations.
Remember, everyone, the best way to improve your English is to practice a little every day.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Mr. English Speaks.
And tell us in the comments, which conversation topic should we teach next?
Thanks for watching, everyone.
We'll see you in the next video. Bye.